Make a great choice today with the 2018 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.